Hello friends, welcome in Code with Hubble Labs. Today's lesson is Codable. Codable is one type of model class to using JSON to convert in model class and use our app. So first of all, open Safari and search any free APIs. So free APIs for testing and search. I have already find out. And second one, any APIs. So free APIs, the top free APIs, copy in public APIs. First of all, first public API is copy. HTTP APIs public select and copy and paste in another tab. So we check this which type of data available in the APIs and copy all and decode JSON viewer. So online JSON viewer check is proper JSON or not and which type of data available in JSON. This is array of object and the two keys available is count and enters, and inside the is a dictionary type of string gem any or string gem string is as per your API's response. So this is the string gem string. So array inside the NS dictionary and enters NS dictionary array. So copy this URL and call this API and get data and then convert. So first of all create a URL variable. So URL is optional, so we are let use and paste here and the return maybe not successfully convert in URL. So URL session dot set dot get task, and this is the URL and pass this URL and enter open prompt box and data response and error, open completion block data response and error and the resume to start and call our APIs. So guardlet data is a optional type written, so guardlet used to and do and catch to convert our data to JSON in this error. So print error dot localization, any issue in API and not converting data successfully and convert successfully. So decode our data and decode maybe inside the error, so call this error block. So decode the decode data, so we are need to create a model class. This is enter Codable protocol and from the data pass here is some showing some errors. Okay, currently comment this and first of all we are create model class. So copy our keys, so count copy and pasted here and entries copy and paste here. So we are using in model class, so not an issue, direct copy and paste key. So response Codable and var is count variable is a string, sorry int, var entries is a Codable model. So convert model class, so create first entries and this Codable class is inside all this key, copy all keys data and pasted here. So we are easy to find out and copy and paste, so not any issue. And is all types of string, not HTTP is a bool type. Like another type is all string, is HTTP is a bool. Is a course, is link, is category. So response is entire is array type in JSON, like this array is the bottom of the end of this array, all of this array objects. So this enter is array and decomment and adding as a response codable or decodable model class. So response and as a self, so create a variable let is response to return decode model. So response print is a successfully print response, another showing error, any mistake in our codable class. So run our project. We have successfully converted our model class. So response is print count, yes, 902, and by default optional is 0. And print response dot entries. This is all decodable objects. So we have print is a count entries, total counts is our 902 is available in count key. So print any value inside the first index object to print out the value is the first object, and dot APIs is as per any key using as per index as per your requirement to easy to direct gets value. This link and another. So you are try practicing another APIs, free APIs to decode model class. All data we are access in using direct dot, and we are using index to sorry is optional error. So print response dot entries is 0 dot APIs, and sorry mistake, some mistake. Okay, forecasting, yes, successfully converted and print out. So thank you for watching this video. Like video, share video, and subscribe this channel. Hit the notification bell, you will get notification of our latest video. So thank you, and using this API to practice more and more to how can use codable models. Thank you.